Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone. So let's start it. So your Wi-Fi often gets disabled on your Android device and you want to fix that. So to fix that, what you can do is just simply scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap and hold on the Wi-Fi icon. And after doing that, it will take you to your Wi-Fi section, and from here what you have to do is you have to try to connect your device to some other Wi-Fi. So just try to connect your device to some other Wi-Fi connection and then check if you are facing the same problem. So most of the time you will face this problem because you have connected to a bad Wi-Fi. So what you can do is just simply try to connect to some other Wi-Fi and then check if you are still facing this problem. So what you can do is just simply try to connect to some other Wi-Fi or just use a hotspot. So just turn on your mobile hotspots and then try to connect it with your device and then check if you are still facing this problem. And after checking all those, if you are still facing the problem and if this step did not help, then what you can do is just simply come back to your home screen and then open up your settings application. After opening up your settings application, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option, which is network and internet. After tapping on network and internet, try to refresh your Wi-Fi by turning it off and by turning it on. So just turn it off and then turn it on, and after doing that, check if it worked, or you can just tap on it and then try to forget this Wi-Fi. So just tap on it and then tap on forget. After tapping on forget, what you can do is just simply re-enter the password and then check if that worked. So if this still does not work, then what you can do is just simply come back to your settings homepage and then scroll down, then tap on about phone and then check if your device has an update. So just scroll down. After scrolling down, you should find your Android version. Just tap on it and then check if you have an Android security update. So just tap on Android security update and then check if you have an update. So if you do have an update, what you can do is just simply update your device and that should fix your problem. So just follow these steps, and after following these steps you should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix disable Wi-Fi on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.